Hello everyone, my name is Bolaji Jegede. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Pavilion Group of Companies. Today I'll be introducing you to my show, which is the Bolaji Jegede Show. And on this show, basically what we seek to do is to promote the youth's involvement in the development of Nigeria. Basically, I'm trying to promote a vision that God gave to me about Nigeria. Basically, what God began to tell me about Nigeria was that in 2025, Nigeria will be the most sought after country in the world. And God began to talk to me about this vision in 2010 while I was undertaking my master's degree at the University of Cambridge. And he began to talk to me about the fact that he wanted to make Nigeria a great nation in the community of nations. And he began to give me ideas and the blueprint of how this is going to happen. Basically, since then, I've taken it very seriously. And now is the time when the vision will begin to materialize, basically. And so over the past 3.5 years, I've been taking instructions from God, I've been thinking it through, and I've been putting things together to ensure that the vision can kickstart properly. And it's going to be a 10-year plan. We're going to be launching the Vision 2025 in January 2015. So that's a few months away. And I've been working on a lot of things that will make the vision come to pass. I've been building a team already that will be the Vision 2025 team that would ensure that the blueprint of this vision is put to use. And so basically on this show, we'll be bringing young people together to talk about various issues that pertain to the Nigerian economy. We'll be discussing issues around leadership, around entrepreneurship, around governance, and all other issues that affect the nation. Basically, what God was talking to me about the Vision 2025 is that the youth of this country will be the ones to champion the cause of the development of this country. And what we'll seek to do on this show and with the broader vision when it is launched next year, January, will be to engage the youth in a very interesting manner and a manner that can lead to broad development of the nation. So what we will be doing will be to address the relevant issues in the nation to build teams that would eventually grow this nation. As this show progresses and as we also eventually launch the project in January 2015, the vision will become more clearer to every Nigerian youth. And at the end of the day, we'll be able to build a nation that will be strong, that will be adjudged the best place to live in the world by 2025. It's going to be an interesting one. It's going to be an interesting time as we engage the youth very efficiently and very progressively over the next 10 years. Basically, we will continue to use all the tools at our disposal to ensure that we rally around all the youths in Nigeria, all the Nigerians in the diaspora, and we will be able to bring everyone together to cause this change. And it's very, very obvious to us now that the older generation haven't done a good justice to getting this country to where it should be. And that's why God seems to be very displeased with the older generation. And he said to me that, Bolaji, I want to use the youth to cause the necessary development that Nigeria needs. I've heard the cry of my people, and it's time for me to answer the cry of the people. And he said to me that it's going to be the young people, the youth, that will drive this change and that would eventually take this country to the promised land. So essentially, God is ready to use the young people. He has given me already all the things that we need to do. We are developing on this already. We are building a team already. and by the time it's fully launched, like I said in January, it's going to become very clear. But this show will be a run-up to the official launch of Vision 2025. We'll be talking about different issues ranging from education, security, entrepreneurship, security, leadership, and governance. And as we go on, we continue to bring youths from different industries who have succeeded in what they are doing or who have great ideas. We'll be able to showcase them on different levels. We will make very effective use of the social media platforms that we have today and other mediums to ensure that the voice of the young people in Nigeria is brought to the fore, and indeed we will continue to support young people who have aspirations to different political offices, who believe in the vision and who God will be using eventually to bring about this change. We are believing that we'll get support from everybody. We are believing that we'll get support from the older generations who should be willing to step down now that God is saying He wants to use young people. So essentially, we'll be targeting the youths. The youths have to come together. Nigerians abroad will be expecting most of you to come back home to contribute to the development of this country. This country belongs to us, and this country can only be developed by Nigerians. Basically, what I'm saying is, any vision that will ultimately bring any change to this country has to be divine, has to be given to a Nigerian, has to be developed and executed in Nigeria by Nigerians for the benefit of everyone. It is high time that we stopped looking to the West and looking to the East for solutions to all our problems in Nigeria. Nigeria is, without a doubt, the greatest country in the world, the richest country in the world. All we need to do is to put all the resources we have together, human resource, capital resource, mineral resource. We need to bring this together in a very holistic manner and use them to make this country the great country that God wants it to be. I thank you all for listening to this broadcast. This is going to be the first episode of the Bolaji Jegede Show, and by the next episode we'll be bringing in a guest who we'll be talking to on various issues that pertains to the youth and pertains to the development of this country. I thank you once again for listening in, and you're going to have a very nice time as we together build this nation to be what God wants it to be. Thank you very much. God bless Nigeria. God bless you all. Thank you.